Hello guys, we have a valedictory lecture on the 28th of January this month. One of our professors, Engineer Professor C.D. Okereke, will be the valedictory lecturer. So over a week, I've been able to obtain the valedictory lecture material. But the challenge I had was that my tailor hadn't returned from Christmas and New Year holidays. So I've waited for my tailor for over a week after obtaining this material. So I can't wait any longer because the day for the valedictory lecture is fast approaching. So I quickly package the material to look for another tailor, possibly, of course, we have 1 week plus. We have 1 week plus before the valedictory lecture, and I look forward to getting a tailor that can sew this cloth before the D-Day. So let me show you the clothes. This is the material. The local wax for the valedictory lecture, and I'm now looking for a tailor that can sew it within this period to meet up with the 28th of January. Guys, when I see a tailor, I will inform you of the date he will give me, but I want it to be done within 1 week. All things being equal. Guys, I got to a tailor shop where I used to see one guy sew good clothes. But unfortunately, I saw shop for rent pasted there. It's like the guy has relocated. I'm now going to another tailor shop, guys. Guys, I was able to find a tailor to sew the clothes. Remember, I walked around, even I went to the shop of my former tailor. He used to sew my clothes, but he relocated from where he used to stay. And the new location was where I went to. As at the time I went there around 11 a.m. in the morning, he wasn't yet out for business. So I decided to look for elsewhere because the time for the valedictory lecture is fast approaching. So I have to look for a place that it could be sold. And I finally found this place. We agreed that next week it will be ready. Let's watch out. But he told me that if it is ready before next week Friday, he will let me know. Guys, experiences with tailors. Of course, it is countless what I have seen with tailors. They will give you a day to come. When you come for the clothes, they will use stories to change the date. And of course, disappointments and all that. But let's see how this one works. Guys, I will update you on developments. The valedictory lecture is coming up on the 28th of this month. The venue is at Professor Mulere's International Conference Hall at Senate. So guys, keep in touch.